Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know. Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Hey, Parry. Me dad sent Mary. This stove too high. Bless good morning, Parry. Me dad sent Mary. Me I fix up little tin mackerel up a yard, yeah, in a one little place and all of that. So I hope you're having a beautiful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. And make sure at all times when you see these videos, you remember to watch them when you cock up in your bed and I watch Debbie down a yard. So right now at this me I do, you know, we can use the knife and you know we have the little people and say, hey, don't put the knife in the pot, but that's how we do it. So me I fix up little onion and tin mackerel and all of that. And me I run the things the pot today. So on the little hot plate and all of that. Dad is here. Camera girl is holding the camera. Say hi, camera girl.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so Dad is here. We are doing a little straightening up and little clean up and little paint up. So as we go along, we'll catch you on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train.
You're pouring into the posse, you know. Once we're in a St. Mary, I say we down at my auntie place. And I say, we do some hard work as usual. So we sit down for one little sandeep here, you know. And I wait for some material to come in. So one love again and give thanks.
Yeah. Sorry. Me don't pack up a St. Mary where they look one way, you know, look promising, but me there sit down. Them some workman Uncle Murphy then go and get some cement all about our road. Go and get some pay for some cement for come. So me there sit down till them be tired. That a paint, me soon show you what go on. So me sign us about me from morning. So we are dealing with it natural. This are the Guinean weed and the root part. I know that in Australia man, that one yeah. So then guys say me know say if you beat up the root you will burn it out. So or tell them how you go there, come here and burn me nose.
Yeah man. I covered this talk about the Guinean weed, you know. So when you see me auntie do with it you know, you beat the root of it. So you get the fumes and the medication from the Guinean weed itself. And right away it works for your
sinus.
And the pharmacy, sinus, anything where you have named those type of sickness, it works on it right away.
Yeah, Parry, it a go on, it a burn it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause from this I come down in the Australia, I know the sinus, so. And that a go on, pan St. Mary, pan the St. Mary thing. But still, it is the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain. Catch you. Yeah, Parry, me in our next location. That did this paint, but we're not going to show them that this time yet. So we paint that side, so we sit down right here. So we get one beer, but it adds some milk. Put it in the fridge, in the freezer. For about half an hour, make it get like a chill. I like hot beer to that. You know, so. And this video is not in any way sponsored by Red Stripe though, but then could I give you a little sponsor, I would know that take it. So I am here. More want sleep more than anything else. Come wake up early this morning. I don't know when you'll see this video because these days we're kind of behind with the videos them. So videos that we are shooting, you see we are posting now, we shoot them long time ago. But that's how the flow go. So we sit down right here, so I'm more for this will a little sleep right here. So we're not in a bed right here, so right now, no bed not there St. Mary right about yet. So we have to just go and bounce it out, you know, rough it out. So I'm here and I'm chilling. Eh? So no work for hard action there, more the man them I go work now and that do some indoor painting and all of that, and you know no don't know where to do what we have to do. So no roll it for action and big cooking and them something. You notice we not do much of that family. We try to get, you know, some little thing organized that we can have like a sleeping place and, you know, like a chill out space because a peer rain. Can't do too much out there. Even down at the bottom yard, but we always cook, we can't deal with it because more time I rain. So I'm there and I chill. So catch you in the next clip. So Parry, me I eat. Jason give me some dinner. Today is Friday. Jason is Sabbath, so I cook early. You know Sabbath people thing. Me I tell you the truth, for me I come and set me. Jason is the only person outside that if me come here for cook, ever cook and give me some food, and me I pick up Jason. No matter what you want to say, me I pick up Jason. So me I eat some of Jason. And Jason, I think he says Easter is almost a vegetarian. So a vegetarian food, Jason. I'm not saying. I don't want to go home and wrap it so. Then pop it in the water to come. That plum I get in the background. Maybe about 3 o'clock now the rain set in. I don't know when you will see this video. But maybe something. So we'll put things before I let things unfold. I mean, I die more after now. But I have to do what I have to do. And true? Yeah. I have to do what I have to do. I try to get things under control. And there, and the little corner you me in, I pick up one internet here so. And it look like I watch it to see each time I come. It look like I can get to a modem. I watch it to see how much it can work. So maybe we might soon start go live when we have the internet. So next week I eat vegetarian food. Yeah.
Yeah, Parry. Morning in I St. Mary with you again, you know. I try to see if we can do a thing again. Yeah, time start a dark and rainish, but you know, the auntie always come my country, come set up herself and set up our little place and put it together as we own self, you know. So I there see I can cut up one chicken. Yeah. My chicken here. I'll cut him up. And my auntie will sort him out after I cut him up and deal with him. You understand? So I say go up on the Sunday morning, we could give thanks and praise Jah. Rastafari. Yeah.
Uncle Murphy! What go on there? See
Yes.
people here now.
St. Mary say again, you know.
Yeah, where you go with ya?
That's why I season up some curry chicken and
Yeah.
thing, you know.
Yeah, Alan lose the work.
nice
Alan know what vindicate for Alan. He lose the work. Tell you know it going on some other video. Alan lose the work. Yeah. And Uncle Murphy, when we there, he ma cook you now. Yeah. So, Uncle Murphy, I season him up, you know. So, and all of that. Alan friend then lose the work. Alan, Alan friends, Alan has lost the work. Alan not going on good. So Alan know what tell me say me I treat Alan like boy. It's over. Me want to treat him like no boy again, okay? He has finally, officially lost the work. He's not just, I got to deal with things on a different level. But it's still love and peace and harmony. So, Uncle Murphy did a search for him rest time something them. I want to hear curry vice in the background, dad round at the front, and him a do look up priming. And all of that, curry mouth loud like for me. You will breed that we are so mouth loud. Alan going like him not talk, but behind the scenes, he's not who he seems to be. We not bash him, we love him same way, but you know don't know it go? Yeah. Finger think. Then say you can't cut it that way, but sometimes you have to wrap it up and disguise it. Not true. I'll catch you in the next clip. Yeah, so Uncle Murphy, I season up And him say him curry look like you want look more, so him a put look more curry. Uncle Murphy, I go get a wife for them chef in here, you know. When them see you done chef up.
Them done see me chef up.
Yeah, when them done see you chef up, yo. You know you're not careless, you know. And you're not workless neither, so.
Negative on that part.
Negative on that part, Uncle Murphy said. Carelessness and worklessness, Uncle Murphy said negative on that. Yeah, it's a strong Jamaican man and a rub up curry chicken. Who come in? You see that strong on ya? Curry chicken, a whole pan chef we have around here. As soon as they get workless, we get rid of them. But this one is here to stay. Yeah. Curry look good, Uncle Murphy.
Real.
Yeah. And all of that.
All of that, have seasoning.
Alright, so when you're ready for start, you put him pan it cool out the door now. When him a bubble, you get back to them.
Right.
Yeah. Alright, Corey. Alright, Barry. See, Uncle Murphy curry chicken, it smell nice. But all this, I love man cooking. No comment and want to think about Uncle Murphy curry fowl, curry aguan, yeah. Yeah, and all of that, and we have some brush around the corner, yeah, where we roast. Yeah. I don't know, so when we do St. Mary, we have to drink lemonade, you know, see lime there. Yeah. Yeah. Tell them curry, tell them so we have to drink lemonade.
Lemonade, I want thing will keep your body calm and cool.
Yeah, man, when we drink it.
So not you drink a lemonade, you know.
Yeah, your curry, yeah.
You don't carefully put you to sleep.
Exactly, that's what it does to me.
Put you to sleep, man.
Yeah, so a Sunday thing in a St. Mary over there.
Yes.
I know, sir. You know what is happening, but me talk to you now. Because you know, say everything, you know, change is going.
Yeah.
But you know, say when a crew of people going together and some people come along, they don't come to stay forever. So when them have a cut, them just have a cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, make the thing run same way. I deal with prosperity. When I deal with labor and logo thing. Yeah. Up and running thing with the pan. So
Definitely.
yeah, so the thing set. So when food ready,
We all
I show them a food car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.